Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly what you can expect when selling on Amazon. I'm also going to be answering the most popular questions that new sellers have when starting with Amazon FBA. Make sure you stay tuned to the end, you're not going to want to miss this. Alright guys, welcome to the channel, and for those who don't know me, I'm Ecom Dave. I'm a six-figure Amazon FBA seller and FBA coach. This channel is all about entrepreneurship and obviously Amazon FBA. If you haven't yet, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Question number one, will I be a millionaire next month? Probably not. But you can expect to make money within a couple weeks if you stay consistent, committed, and invest your money wisely. Question number two, why is Amazon FBA a smart move? Just last year, over 100,000 Amazon sellers did over six figures selling everyday products on Amazon. Going into this recession, Amazon is one of the few companies still thriving. They're growing and expanding and even hiring hundreds of thousands of new employees within this next few weeks. Also, experts predict that next year there's only going to be three companies running the retail space. Those companies are Costco, Walmart, and Amazon. Now you see why learning how to sell on Amazon is a no-brainer. Question number three, how much time does it take to get started with Amazon? Nowadays, it takes me about 5 hours to find a profitable product, to create the listing, and to start the manufacturing process over in China. Back in the day, the same process took me 30 hours to 50 hours. I've lost money, made a lot of dumb decisions, but lucky for you, I've already done the hard work. With the right coach and mentor, you can get started today and get your first Amazon checks about a couple weeks from now. Question number four, how much money do I need to get started with Amazon? Just like any business, you need money to invest in. If you're selling hot dogs, you need to get a hot dog stand. So with Amazon, you need about $3,000 to $4,000 of investment. This money is used to buy your initial inventory from China, to ship that inventory over to the United States warehouse, and for advertising costs within Seller Central. And finally, question number five, why get a mentor? Well, I'm gonna answer your question with another question. How fast do you wanna grow your business? Like I said before, it used to take me 30, 40, sometimes 50 hours a week on just trying to find a product to sell on Amazon, then sourcing that product, starting the manufacturing process over in China, and then I had to figure out how to create a listing here on Amazon, how to rank the product, right? It took a lot of time on figuring all these things out. Now you can go ahead and learn it for yourself, or you can get a mentor like me, or if you can go get with somebody else that's going to show you step by step how this process works and speed track your business. As always, thank you again for watching, and if you are interested in my one-on-one coaching program, I'm going to leave a link here in the description for the application. If you are accepted, then we'll get on a call and we'll talk about how I can personally help you build your Amazon business. Again guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next.